I recently discovered this article here from Breitbart stating that Poundland is going to ban the sale of kitchen knives in their shop. Major retailer stops kitchen knife sales to halt UK knife crime wave. Britain's Poundland discount chain has announced it will stop selling kitchen knives in all of its stores to help tackle soaring youth violence. Okay, so I've always said that most of the knives used in knife crime is actually kitchen knives, and a lot of those probably are from the pound shop. But is this really going to stop knife crime? Do you really think this is going to stop knife crime? This isn't treating the problem. This is a symptom of the problem. This isn't going to stop anything. Now, Poundland themselves are claiming that they won't be the last to do this. Now, they said this is only going to be, for now, in their West Midland stores, but they're going to extend it to all of their shops all over the UK. Now, I can only assume that other big name brands in the UK will probably follow behind them with this decision. I don't doubt that in the future, in the next coming years, other shops in the UK like Asda, Morrison's, Sainsbury's, Tesco's will probably do the exact same thing, banning the sale of kitchen knives in their shop to supposedly tackle knife crime. My question is, how the hell are we going to make our dinner? How are we going to cut sausage or burgers, or how are we going to cut anything? How are we going to make food? How are we going to cut bread? How are we going to cut cake? How are we going to cut anything at all without knives? I would really like to know. How are you going to eat your steak without a sharp pointy kitchen knife or steak knife? Now, this article is basically stating what Judge Nick Mage was suggesting about banning the sale of long pointy kitchen knives, and unfortunately Poundland has decided to listen to him. Honestly, the man is an idiot, trying to suggest that long, pointy and sharp kitchen knives have no place in, well, basically stating that they don't have a place in your kitchen, which is kind of dumb because a kitchen knife belongs in the kitchen and it's supposed to be sharp and it's supposed to be pointy. It's especially supposed to be sharp because, as I've always said, a blunt knife is more dangerous simply because you have to put more force and more pressure on the thing you're cutting. In which case, you're not cutting it, you're crushing it. It has to be sharp. You're more likely to slip and cut your finger off if it's blunt. I'm sure that sounds dumb to you, but trust me, it's true. And by the way, it's not hard to sharpen a knife. If you have a bench grinder or an angle grinder, or even a set of whetstones, or even just a metalworking file, you can sharpen a blade. In fact, with a grinder or a file, you can make a whole new blade out of any piece of steel. Now, another thought about this is the pound shop also going to soon ban the sale of hammers? Because hammers are increasingly being used in crime also. And are they also going to ban the sale of, padlocks and chains, because those can also be used as a weapon. Same with screwdrivers. There's so many things that they could ban to stop people getting killed. This is honestly getting ridiculous. Think to yourself, how are you going to cut your dinner without knives? Because we're getting to the point now where we won't be able to have any kind of knife. I can't believe that we're actually banning kitchen knives in this country. How much further are we going to go with this? That's all I've got to say on the matter. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate and subscribe. See you soon.